Hey guys, Regina here. Been in the automobile business, as you know, for 23 years. January will be 24. Two things I want to leave you with today. If you're going to look for a vehicle, one is go on your time. Before you go to a dealership, I want you to text, email, or call. Just don't pop up to the dealership and say, I'm here, I'm ready to buy a car. Plan ahead. Get your information. Make sure that they have the car that you want. Or if you have Boost Credit, just make sure they have something that you can deal with, that you'll be comfortable making your payment because you have Boost Credit. So do it on your time. Do your homework before you get in. If you can get pre-approved before you go into a dealership, do that. But if you follow me all the time, I'm always saying if you can go to the credit union and get pre-approved, you do that. If you have to go to the dealership and get pre-approved, then do an online application. My website is reginathequeenofcarloans.com. You can go to my website 24 hours a day and put the application in. So do it on your time. Email, text, call, do that first. The second thing is, if you have a trade-in and you're going in to look for that car, or you're talking over the phone to that salesperson, get all your other things done first. Get approved, know your sales price, know your payment, and then let us know you got a trade. That's how you're going to get a little bit more for your trade. Or let me back it up. If you got Boost Credit, get approved. Tell them how much money you got down, or start with zero down. Then you tell us you got a trade. And the reason I say that is because you want to get the most for your trade. And how do you get the most for your trade? You're going to go to Vroom. You're going to go to CarMax. And then also go to another dealership and get your vehicle appraised to see what the value is. Don't come into a dealership and say, oh, I don't know what my trade is worth. You got to go back to old school back in the day. The first person talks when it comes to a trade is the loser. So do your homework on your trade. You also got Kelly Blue Book. You got True Car. You can get the value from True Car, Kelly Blue Book, again, Vroom, CarMax. Do all that. But do your homework before you go in. Just a little advice from the queen. All right. See you on my next video.